Welcome you all. In this video, we will have a challenging question about derivatives. I will solve the question into two ways. The first way will be a regular way, and the second way will be a much faster way. If you want, before I start solving the question, you can pause the video now, and let's get started. As a regular way, guys, you can solve the question using product and quotient rules, but this is going to take a while. And another regular way is simplifying the expression algebraically, and this is what we're going to do in this regular way. So if you look at numerator and denominator, guys, we have the highest power is x to the power of 2024, and we have another fraction in the denominator part, guys, here, and we have x to the power of 2024 also in the denominator in the last term here. So what I'm gonna do here is, guys, I'll make the denominators same in the denominator here, guys. So in order to do that, I'm gonna multiply the first term by x to the power of 2023, and then x to the power of 2023 times x to the power of 1 is gonna be x to the power of 2024. Similarly, I'm gonna multiply the second term by x to the power of 2022, guys, and we're gonna multiply the last term by 1, and in this case the denominators will be the same in the denominator part of our fraction of x. The numerator part will be the same, so x to the power of 2024 plus up to 1 divided by, now I'm gonna have something like this in the denominator, x to the power of 2023 plus x to the power of 2022 plus, and then I'm gonna have 1 as a last term divided by the denominator will be x to the power of 2024, guys, and that is gonna be equal to, I'm gonna write the numerator as it is, so we're gonna have x to the power of 2024 plus up to 1 times, I'm gonna take this fraction, okay, and I'm gonna multiply it here, put a multiplication here, and then just reverse it, take the inverse of it. So it's gonna be x to the power of 2024 divided by x to the power of 2023 plus up to 1 here, guys. So if you look at here, I'm going to take the whole term into x value here, into x parentheses, and once you do it, then we're going to have x times x to the power of 2023 plus, and the last term is going to be 1 times x to the power of 2024 divided by x to the power of 2023 plus up to 1. And now here, guys, we have same terms. As you can see, this term is going to go away with this term. So once you simplify the fraction, x here as a leftover and x to the power of 2024 here. So if you multiply those values, x times x to the power of 2024, here there is 1, as you can see. So because bases are the same, so we're going to add the powers, which means this is going to be equal to x to the power of 1 plus 2024, which is going to be 2025, guys. So our function is x to the power of 2025, guys. We are asked to find the value of f prime of 1, which means that the derivative of f of x at the point x is equal to 1. So we need to take the derivative here, okay, guys, which is going to be 2025 times x to the power of 2024. And if you put 1 here instead of x, 2025 times 1, which is going to be, guys, 2025, and this is the answer in this question. This is the, as I said, the regular way, but as you can see, still it takes some time, And there is a shorter way to solve such questions, guys, and let's take a look at it that way as well. If you realize in the numerator part we have x to the power of 2024 plus and up to x. There's a sequence actually, and we have a similar pattern here in the denominator here, guys. So what if I multiply both numerator and denominator by x to the power of 2025, guys? And then once we do it, let's see what's gonna happen. So we're gonna have f of x as x to the power of 2025 times the other terms, x to the power of 2024 plus up to x divided by, if you put here x to the power of 2025, guys, if we distribute these into each and every term, then from the first term, it's going to be x to the power of 2025 divided by x, which is going to be x to the power of 2024, guys. 24 plus, if you do the same thing, that x squared is going to cancel with x to the power of 2025, and the leftover is going to be x to the power of 2023, guys. Plus, and if you keep going, then x to the power of 2025 will be cancelled with x to the power of 2024, and the leftover is going to be just x, guys. And now here, if you realize those terms are same, so you can just cross them out, and the leftover is going to be f of x, which means that in this case f of x will be x to the power of 2025. And after that, solving question is going to be easier. If you take the derivative of this f of x function, then it's going to be 2025 times x to the power of 2024. And if you substitute 1 with x, then we're going to have again 2025, guys, as an answer. And that's the end of the question, guys. If you have any question, you can put them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one.